Oh yeah, want some food? I just took cows. So, what's up guys, this is 100 game. I can't read all the way up there, but yeah. It says something. It says, welcome to Happy to Get Map made by blah blah blah. With no help. It says, rules. Do not break blocks. 1 minute grace period. Do not cheat. Obey these rules. Win, have fun. Do a great job. Get in the pods. Let's get in these pods right here. Cause you're glitching. Why are you glitching? Are you in? 3, 2, 1, go! Open every chest. So bad. Oh. Run, run away. I'll tell you glitching. Yes you can. You wanna exit out and get in?
You put stuff in the chat, didn't you?
I didn't, I did. But I don't know which one is it. Just kidding, I downloaded this map. We gotta look for it. Really? Sorry for all those weird noises around. Bruh. Cookie. Where's the cat? Oh yeah.
Is this extra?
Don't know. You gotta look in every chest quickly as fast as you can. So you can get the goody stuff. What's in here? Woman. In the chest.
Oh, you already took this one.
Hehehe. I don't know those chests. No chest. No chest. Man, quickly. Man, just doing. Yes.
There's really no good stuff.
I know there is no good stuff. But I'm putting it hard mode. Yeah. Oh, 1 minute grace period. We're gonna attack. Oh!
No, wait, we're gonna attack right now? 1 minute.
Bye. We can attack, but
I don't want to wait. I'm not ready. Get ready.
like up. Quickly up. I know there's a faster way for this. Oh. Go forward up. And it's just, bruh. I don't care. Oh, that's too loud. Up here. Let's go up the rainbow. Up. Up, then. Up, up, up,
Por último,
up,
no pones así.
up,
El café,
up,
los cafés.
up, up.
Te la tengo en el techo ya bien la niña ya. Porque se haga.
Yeah.
Un té clarito.
Just nothing in here. Anyway, let's take everything in here. I'm pretty sure he did. Okay, there's another sword. Haha, let's see. Anything. Anything. Look at that. Okay. I heard noise. I tried to every chest. It's gone. Bro, look at me. Check the cows. And it's a good chest. Just open. Just PG time. But we need freaking now. PG. I wanna move. Move. We need a cat on a stick. And the dressing table. Anywhere. Move. Is that on the chest? Oh, he did. Time to get out. Put on armor. Hey, but where is he? Where is he? Another. Oh, he ran to the duty stove, I think. Come back. Come back. Totally good stuff in here. Has to be good stuff. And then again. Does it hurt you? Oh, too tricky. They're 100 up, I mean down. Oh, he got better stuff. Get out, quickly. Let's get out. Get it. Let's run. How do we get up there? That's how it is for. What's up here? Bruh. Anything out here? Get down trees. Okay. 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 What? What is? Well, the wood. Look closer. Now the books and stuff. Okay. This is not good. How do we get out to the door? Oh, this was not with the kind of questions. I didn't know that there could be anything in the furnace. So, what is that? This one is not for decorating. No, that's fake. That's a fake one. Huh? Nothing. Okay. Right there. Right there. What? Two more? And I'll break. Oh, you're magical! Hurry, quickly. Quickly dies. Oh. This is good enough. This is so good enough.
The worst one ever.
Oh! He's coming down. He's coming. He's right there.
So we got the same thing, don't we?
No, we don't. We do not got the same thing. Oh! Oh.
Don't be a chicken.
I can't fight that. We got a secret weapon. Is your 100 going down? Is your 100 going down? Where is he? Where is he? Spider.
How game?
It's not me. You kill it. Did you kill it? Not too bad. Okay. Only 100. Are you still with diamond shovel?
Wait, 1 second.
I'm not giving you away the set. You did not give me away the second. Oh!
Oh, please, only 1 second or 10 seconds.
A diamond sword? Ah! Ah! Ah!
Mejor no manden billete que otra ya. Será alguien que eso no lo envía.
Ah!
No necesita llevar a la ahora tenemos mejor que cada porque no la otra ya no necesitaba nada, ni un pantalón fuerza, no que le echamos a fumar.
A whole lot.
Nada, la que le
Oh, not happy. Oh, honey. Is that? That's not